Hi there. Okay, we're going to start with a classroom page. So you can see I've already named my classroom for next year, and this would be the C period. And I just wanted to show you that you actually get with each class that you create a calendar. So the calendar for here, I created an assignment and then I put it in 3 classes, and you can see what's due for each class. The beauty of this is that the students can see as well. So each of the students gets a calendar in his or her classroom account automatically. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip over to my calendar. So my Franklin Public Schools calendar also has underneath my calendars an English A, English B, English C, and English D calendar. So it shows up automatically in your calendar. Now, if you would like to put this in a web page, which will make your life just slightly easier, this is the way to do it. The first thing you need to do is go into calendar settings. And what you need to do is make it public. So it will say, share this calendar. And it says, share this calendar with others. Now, the default is share this calendar with everyone in the organization, Franklin Public Schools. What I've done is I've made it public. The reason I've done that is because I want the parents to see what's on the classroom calendar. So, save that. And you do that for each of the calendars that you would like to share. Now, I've created a website. You can see just for fun, I'll show you. This is my website, and I put a little summer picture up there. Now, I also have a tab for homework. And what I was doing in my website was I was creating a post each day for homework. And this will automate this process for me so I don't actually have to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So in order to edit the page, and here, let's pretend that's not there, and I will insert it. So what you need to do is you put the cursor where you want to insert the calendar. You'll see the insert tab, and then it gives you a calendar. So I did that with each of my A, B, C, and D classes. So it brings up, when you ask for the calendar, it brings up actually archived classes as well as the fresh classes. So we'll just do this for the sake of this demonstration. So I selected the Atticus 2016 through 2017 English A calendar, and I selected it. Now, what I would like to show is the agenda, just because it will give a daily update. I like that for the display, they can do the week, month, and agenda. So if somebody wants to see it all at a glance, then they're welcome to. It shows the calendar names, it shows the navigation buttons, and it shows the current date range. I like the border around it, and I do like the title. So that's automatic. People should know if they're in my A class. And then you press save. And it comes up as this kind of funky looking Google Calendar thing until you save it. And then when you press save, it shows up as it's getting there. I can see the wheels spinning. It shows up as an agenda, which is loading. And what I did was I scheduled a classroom assignment for today, just to show you how it's going. So the parents will know and the kids will know. Please complete the following getting to know you form. So if you're posting your homework on Classroom, which is one of the things that I do, don't have anything posted on this one. I was playing around with it. But if you're posting your homework on Classroom, you create it as an assignment and then you put a due date. So you can see, here, I'll show you how it shows up in the edit. What you just need to be careful of is making sure that your due date and time is accurate. So I'm pretending that it's due today. Obviously, it's not because nobody's in school, and I'll change it later. But that's just for the sake of demonstration. So that is how the students and parents can see in yet another venue, which would be your website, what's going on for the homework.